Smells like eggs, looks like eggs, tastes like eggs, but it's not eggs. I made egg salad with tofu. It's so good, you guys. It's legit. You could fool literally anybody into thinking that this is egg salad. It is like the best copycat, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. Want a bite? It's so funny how our tastes can totally change as we become adults. Like when I was a kid, I honestly hated egg salad. I thought it smelled funny, it tasted funny, it had a weird texture, and I did not like it, but only the adults in my life just loved it so much. But now, here I am, like 20 years later, and I flippin' love egg salad. However, in my adulthood, realized I was actually allergic to eggs, which is probably why I did not like egg salad very much as a kid. Now that I know I can't eat eggs and I don't like eating eggs, I can make tofu egg salad. And what I love about this is that it's so easy to make. Seriously, you just like press a block of tofu, crumble it up in a bowl with a few ingredients that I'm going to show you in this recipe video, season it however you want, and it's like done. Easy. It's great for meal prep. It whips up in like 10 minutes or less. I like to eat it in sandwiches and wraps. Sometimes if I'm feeling really lazy, I'll just plop a few spoonfuls in a bed of greens with some rice or something, and it's like such an easy, quick meal. Let's just get right into the recipe. I can't wait for you guys to make this for yourselves. Alright guys, so this recipe is super simple and straightforward. Let's get right to it. We're going to start by pressing a block of tofu. You can use firm or extra firm tofu. Either one is fine. I've used them both and they're both equally delicious. Grab yourself a large bowl and we're going to crumble up that block of tofu until it's in small little pieces like that, using our hands to break up any larger pieces that remain. Then for a little extra creaminess, we're going to add some vegan mayo, plus a little bit of Dijon mustard for a little extra flavor, tang, and acidity, and maybe a little bit of spice depending on the type of Dijon you're using, and a little bit of sweet green relish for sweetness and texture, and some spices including nutritional yeast, turmeric, garlic powder, and salt. And then we're going to add in our fresh elements, which are some finely diced celery, onion, and a little bit of extra green onion as well. And then just basically grab yourself a spoon or spatula and mix that all until it is very, very well combined. We want all of the little pieces of tofu to be fully coated in all of those yummy sauces and spices that we threw in there. And that's basically it. You can either choose to let that chill in your fridge just to help the flavors commingle and meld together a little better, or you can just dig right in. I just decided to make myself a sandwich here, so just kind of easy peasy. I made some vegan truffle mayo, added some fresh greens into my sandwich as well, plus some pickled beets, because why not? They're delicious and I put them in a lot of yummy things. So that's it. You got yourselves a delicious sandwich here. This egg salad is honestly so filling. It's packed full of protein and you can use it in so many different things. It's very versatile. I'm talking salads, wraps, sandwiches, on crackers, you name it. There you go, guys. A very quick recipe on how to make your own tofu egg salad that everyone can enjoy. It's honestly so good, and I really hope that you guys give it a try. If you do, make sure you let me know in a comment. Tell me how you enjoyed it, what you added in, how did you spice it up. And again, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button below, like this video if you enjoyed it, and check out some of my other videos. I've got lots of recipe videos for you to check out and enjoy, and I hope to see you guys in a future or past video. Bye!
I'm drooling back here.
Drooling? You're drooling? Mom, you gotta try making this vegan egg salad. My mom's not actually here. But Mom, you actually do need to try making this.